If you own a YouTube channel and maybe you're not monetized yet and you're wondering how you're going to be making money using your YouTube channel, or generally you want to make money online from the comfort of your home and you don't know what to do, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be teaching you how to set up a successful print-on-demand business just like this store that has made over $255,000, and that is about 51,000 sales, and all they sell on this shop is just print on demand, which is exactly what I'm going to be teaching you in this video. And if you watch to the end, I'm not just going to be teaching you how to set up the product and how to set up the store, I'm also going to be teaching you a short strategy on how you can make a lot of sales. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. Now, to get started, the first thing you need to do is to come over to your browser and visit printify.com. That is our star platform that we're going to be using to create amazing goodness. Now, before we get started, I want to let you know that this business model is something that you can do with zero budget. That is, you don't need any capital to start this business, because Printify is 100% free. That is, you can sign up on Printify, create your products, and start selling immediately without spending a dime. And the good thing I love about Printify is that you can integrate it with platforms like Etsy, eBay, TikTok Shop, Shopify, and so many more. So I'm just going to be showing you how to do all that in this video. So now that we have our Printify open, the next thing we want to do is to click on sign up. And once it opens, the next thing you're going to do is to go ahead and sign up with your email address, or you can use your Google address by clicking on continue with Google. And once it opens, you're going to log in with your Gmail account and you're good to go. Welcome. What brings you to Printify? I'm new to selling online and I want to start, right? So you're just going to go ahead and select anyone that fits. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to select I'm new to selling online and I want to start. And then you click on next, and here, what best describes you. Choose the option that best describes your current experience and situation. Are you an artist, designer, content creator, business, individual, agency, NGO? Please, I'm an individual. I make money selling online. So I'm just going to select this one for the purpose of this tutorial and then click on next. And here you have, what do you have experience with? Choose any specific skills you already have experience working with: designing products, search engine optimization, social media marketing and advertising, identifying and targeting customers online. I'm just starting out. Of course, I'm just starting out. I'm just going to click here and then you click on next. And then here, where would you like to sell? Choose the main country of the target market where you plan to sell your product. Well, I want to sell globally, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. And here, how did you hear about us? Of course, on YouTube. And I'm going to click on complete and I'm in. How cool is this? So now the next thing I'm going to do is to start setting up my product. Now, there are different ways you can set up your product. You can either click here, no product, create one now, or better still, you click on catalog and then you're going to see early access. Click on early access to create your product. And here you have so many products you can work with. As a matter of fact, Printify has over 1,000 catalogs. That is 1,000 products that you can sell, just like this platform here. But for the purpose of this tutorial, and because this store that has made over 51,000 sales is just dealing on t-shirts, I'm just going to quickly show you how to design your t-shirt. But if it's not something that you're cool with, you can sell anything, whether you want to sell phone pouch, hoodies, mugs, and so on. You can do that with Printify, of course. So here, you're going to select the design that you want. If you want sweatshirts, if you want t-shirts, if you want hoodies, if you want tank tops, anyone that you want is totally fine. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and select hoodies like so. This price is the price of the hoodie, right? So you don't need to pay this price up front. You just need to design it. I am going to display it on your store for twice the price or thrice the price, depending on how you want to mark it up, right? So once you display it on your store and someone makes a purchase, automatically it's going to place an order on Printify. So you're using the person's money to pay for this product and also have your profits. Now, How cool? How cool is this? So now I'm just going to go ahead and click on start designing. So now there are so many things you can do. You can upload your own image, that is your logo or your design or whatever that you want to put on your hoodies or whatever product that you're creating. You can just simply upload it here. And then alternatively, there is AI image. So you can use AI to generate anything that you want. So here, because I love money so much, I love making money, I'm just going to go ahead and type in stack of money, right? And then I'm going to select the type of design that I want, okay? How you want it to appear, whether you want it to be in anime format or photographic format or digital art or comic book, fantasy art, line art, or any of them, right? But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead with low poly, okay? I'm going to click on low poly and I'm going to go ahead and click on generate image for the AI to generate the image that we're going to be using on our design.
2 seconds later.
All right, here you can see that it has generated the image and this looks super amazing. And then the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and click on the money to insert it on the hoodie. So this line here represents where you're going to put in the image. So it should not and cannot exceed this line. So all you have to do is to just drag it. If you see, if I drag it over here, it's going to get cut off. So you want it to fit in properly and also be bold as well, but not get cut off in the process, right? So now that I have this placed here, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on the back side to put in whatever I want on the back side. Now on the back side, you can choose whatever you want. It can be the name of your brand, it could be the logo of your brand, it could be a write-up, it could be a quote, or whatever that you want. And to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and click on add text to show you how to add text. So this is very simple. I mean, doing everything on this platform is very simple and self-explanatory, but because I love you and I want you to make money from the comfort of your home, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to do it, just in case you miss any step. So here, I'm just going to select any font, right? For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to select this font. And of course, I'm going to write here, 7-figure boss, right? So, and I'm going to come here and center it like so, right? So this is perfectly amazing. And I'm going to switch over to sleeve. So for the sleeve, you can choose whatever you want to have here. By the way, if you have not liked this video yet, go ahead and like this video because it serves as an encouragement for me to know that you need more content like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and go out of my way to keep bringing you content like this, and also helps in showing the video to more people. So go ahead and smash the like button, right? So now I'm just going to go ahead and put the write-up. I'm going to use the same font that I used earlier. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in the same thing, 7-figure boss. And the next thing I'm going to do, because this is what we have here, right? So what I'm going to do is to rotate it like this. Yes, this is perfect. And I'm going to enlarge it like so. All right, and put it in the middle. Now, how cool is this? I just feel so good. I mean, designing this just making me feel good, right? So here I'm just going to do the sleeve right, and we're going to also put in the write-up as well. So I'm going to select the font yet again and write 7-figure boss, and I'm going to click on it and then go ahead and rotate it like so. Make sure that it's properly aligned so it's not bent or something, right? So now that I have this lined up, I'm going to go ahead and expand it like so and put it like so, and this is coming out so great. And then the next thing is the neck label inner. So this is going to be the label in the inner, like the label, right? So we're going to put our labeling. Again, you can put your logo or whatever that you want. You can generate an image or whatever. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and put in a text. But this time around, I'm going to be using a different font altogether. So to do that, all I have to do is to click like so. And I'm going to write 7-figure boss wears. Now, this is amazing, right? So I'm going to click on the icon and I'm going to come over to text alignment, and I'm going to align it to the center. And I've done the design. You can see just a few minutes and you're done. And then the next thing you're going to do is to click on preview to see how it looks generally. And you're going to come Come on, come on. You can download this mockup and use it for your promotions, upload it on your store, and so many things you can do with it. Come on, this is looking so amazing. So here is the back. This is how the back looks, and it looks so mwah. Now here is front color close up. Right, look at 7-figure boss is. And here is person one. Oh, this is so amazing. Come on, please place an order. I'm going to be putting the link in the description so that you can buy from me, right? Maybe I should connect a store for this channel, right? All right, so here is person two. This is so amazing. Come on, this looks so amazing. I'm just going to go ahead and download this one because it looks so super amazing. So now that we have our product ready, the next thing we're going to do is to click on save product to save the product to our account. And then the next thing we're going to do is to publish your product. And to do that, you're just going to simply connect it to your Etsy store. But if you don't have an Etsy store, you're going to click on see other sales channels, right? Here is Etsy, express delivery, and everything. This is how it's going to look. And here is Shopify, and then here is TikTok US. If you are in the US, this is definitely for you. TikTok Shop for US, and then here is eBay, and this one is Printify pop-up, and then this one is Amazon. You can link it with your Amazon store and start making a lot of sales. And of course, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, PrestaShop, and API. That is, if you want to link it to your own personal website, you can just go ahead and link it here. And all you need to do that is to go ahead and click on connect, sign into your account, and you're good to go. It's just as easy as that. Now, how cool is this? Now, if you're wondering how you're going to be making a lot of sales without having to market to anyone, then this is where your channel comes in. You know, I mentioned if you own a YouTube channel, this is actually where your channel comes in. Even if it's an African folktale channel or a Bible inspirational quote channel, I talk about those niches on this channel a lot, and that is because it's very lucrative. So imagine that you have a Bible inspirational prayer channel, and then you have different print-on-demand products like mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, and a whole lot more with prayer points, Bible verses, or quotes from the Bible. Imagine thousands of people that are going to buy from it. And then you don't need to be monetized to start making money with this. All you need to do is to just set it up. And if you want to see this video, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to make a detailed tutorial on how you can run this and link everything straight with your Printify store so you can start making sales right away. So why don't you go ahead and sign up with Printify and try this out? Find the link in the description and thank me later. And by the way, talking about making money from the comfort of your home, I've prepared this playlist for you so you can learn everything you need to know on how to make money online. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.